नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In my last lecture, I discussed about some general rule regarding interrogating the patient. In that lecture, I discussed the not ask any leading questions and what are the negativity, what are the minus point if we ask leading questions. Then there is some hindrance from getting the true information from the patient. Now the second point is a chronological order should always be adopted both in eliciting and in recording the facts. What is the chronological order? Means we should arrange all information in a chronological order. Chronological order means कि सबसे पहले जो इसको क्या हुआ हमने इसको वहाँ सबसे पहले लिखा, उसके बाद में ये कंप्लेन आई, इसके बाद में ये कंप्लेन आई। इनको हमें एक सीक्वेंस में लिखने की ज़रूरत है और इसके साथ ही हमें ये कंसिडर करना है कि पेशेंट की मेन प्रॉब्लम क्या है. व्हाट इज़ द मेन थिंग दैट इज़ बॉदर द पेशेंट, फॉर विच पेशेंट कम टू अस. Because in case taking, while interrogating with the patient speak firstly those things that are most troubled him. So we have to focus on the word of the patient, what he says, what is his tone while narrating the symptoms of the disease. So every information should be arranged, should be write down in a chronological way, due to which in the follow-ups and after some time we don't get confused about these, which problem is first appeared, after that what happens, after that what happens. We have clear picture of all the symptoms, of all the complaints of the patient. Now the third point is always adopt a kindly and sympathetic manner. This is very, very important for the physician. Physician is very kindly, gently approach the patient and in a sympathetic manner. At this time, I want to say, physician thinks he is a layman. To understand patient completely, if we consider himself as a layman, then we can easily connect to the patient, we can easily get more information from the patient. If in front of patient our attitude like the doctor, like the physician, then it is very difficult to share information from the patient side. So just equal to the patient, just equal like a layman, so we can easily understand the person, we can easily understand his problems. So put your questions in as simple and non-technical a form. If we share our problem to other people, then there is no space for technical or medical terms. Always you should ask complaints in a very simple, easy way, just like a layman, and be sure that the patient attaches the same meaning to the words as you do, and then patient reply your answer from his heart. We can get the real feeling of the patient if we interact in this way. You forget you are a physician. Only remember, I am a layman. I have to bond with the patient. I have to connect heartily with the patient like the layman. That is very important. You remove your ego, your doctor, your degree, while connect with the patient. Much will depend on the tact of the physician. What is the tact? Tact is just like very simple, very gentle, very mild to the patient, just like the layman, very sympathetic. Never put questions bearing on venereal disease before the husband or the wife of the patient. If we think some information are very personal, then we have to bear in our mind that we should ask this type of information personally, or maybe on the second or third follow-ups also we can gather if we require some type of information. So this is a part today's session, that what are the qualities of a physician while taking the case. So physician should be gentle, mild, sympathetic, and the chronological order should always be adopted while writing down the complaints. Thank you.